So how to record PC screen with audio? Simply go to your and press on snipping tools. Now here you can see the two options, photo and videos. Press on new, then you can see the record option. Just press on record. Now mark the area. Suppose I want to select this area, then select your microphone as a audio recorder, and if you want to record with PC system, then enable, and if you want, then you can also disable it. Press on start. Now it's start recording. Test, hello, test. I am testing my audio. Hello, I am testing the video screen recording. Once done, press on this button, then let's test. I'm testing my audio. Hello, you can see. And if you want to edit this option, then you can edit with Clipchamp as well. It's a Windows default software. And if you want to save it, press on save. Now select your path where you want to, press on done. Now it's done. Go back, download, then here it is. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.